Hey guys, it's Eric and family here at Farpoint Farms, and today we're putting together a Vevor 12 by 20 portable garage. It's going to be pretty awesome. We're going to set it up here on a build site with family, and we're going to do that. I'm going to take you along step by step, and these two are going to do all the work. So let's do it.
All right, so we've got it all unpacked here, and what we're going to do is we're going to set up the bottom framing, and we're going to see how long it takes us to get her up.
All right, so what is that? Let's see here. That took an hour and a half, and we were kind of taking our time and having fun with it, as we always do when we're together. Let's take a walk around. I'll show you this while this video ends, but what do you think, man? Is this going to work out for you for your tractor?
Oh yeah, definitely a good tractor building.
Cool. Would you guys say it was hard to build?
Not at all.
What do you think? No?
No.
Okay. All right, well, that's it. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these, and I'll see you next time. Take care.